Northeast India da lairiba unorganized sector sing da thabak tawriba nupi sing da thengnariba khudong chadaba amadi makhoida kanagadaba singi matang da nongmagi oiba national seminar ama pangthokre seminar adu Manipur University gi sociology department na sinduna women in unorganized sector challenges and prospects in Northeast India haiba hiramda Manipur University gi court holda pangthokibane National Commission for Women New Delhi na sponsor tawduna Pangthokiba seminar aduda Manipur University Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendrana Northeast region da yamna ngallingai matamdagi hauna nupi singna hiram kayada achauba thaudang laudun lai unorganized sector da lairiba nupi singi maramda nainarakpa matamda lamdamasida lairiba tongan ba khunai gi senmitlon singamadi nupi singna socio economy amasung political gi ahongba kayada laurakpa thaudang sing ningthina nainaba mathau tai haina phongdokhi thauramadu Dr. T Dipa Manjuri amasung soibam Nepolana editauba cultural landscapes of South and Southeast Asia haina mingthonba lairika masu release tauki.
We need to understand these broad structural contours of the society, polity and economy that we have in Northeast India when we try to examine different aspects of the unorganized sectors, particularly of the women in say, Northeast India, and it's actually the need of the hour. I mean, we are proud of the fact that they are very hardworking, and as we see that they are very politically very active also. But nevertheless, we need to understand what are the core structures which are responsible for the Imas behaving so actively and so radically on any issues of the state of Manipur. So is the case of many other states, say whether it's a question of the Naga Mother Association or the Mizo Mother Association and so on and so forth.